Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by matching blank power and length to the fish you want. This matters because casting feel and backbone depend on it. Lay out reel seat, handle, guides, and check guide spacing roughly along the blank. Once done, mark the spine with a marker so guides align. Prepare thread bobbins, epoxy, and curing station. Make sure to pre-measure handle position and reel foot fit. Tape joints and test fit everything dry, because a snug layout avoids mid-build surprises and saves rework later. You glue the handle and set the reel seat aligned to the spine. This keeps torque predictable when casting. Next, mount the tip and stripper guides, then space the remaining guides using the 1 guide per foot rule as a starting point, because even spacing prevents line hangups. Wind each guide with steady tension and saddle the wraps with a lighter to seat threads. Once done, smooth any unevenness and apply epoxy in thin passes so the finish cures clear and hard without runs. You finish by fully curing the builds and doing a light sand before a final epoxy coat to seal threads and create a glossy finish. Once cured, mount your reel and load line that matches the blank's rating, then test cast in a safe area to feel action and check for hot spots or line rubs. If you detect wobble or misaligned guides, loosen that guide, realign using the spine mark or tiny shims, and rewrap, because fixing alignment now prevents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.